My project was on how temperature affects fishing line strength. My hypothesis was that when fishing line is exposed to warmer temperatures, the strength of the line will decrease. When the line is exposed to colder temperatures, the strength will not change. My procedure was 12 2-meter pieces of trilene monofilament fishing line will be placed into three different temperature controlled areas for a period of 1 week. 4 will be in a freezer at 3 degrees, 4 will be in a refrigerator at 39 degrees, 4 will be placed on a heating mat at 80 degrees. At the end of 1 week, the breaking strength will be tested. Breaking strength will be tested with the same scale each time. All samples will be 2 meters in length. The breaking strength will be tested by tying one end of the line to the hook on the scale that is attached to a rope hanging from the ceiling. The other end of the line will be wrapped around a 1-inch dowel 4 times. A video will be taken of the number on the scales while the pressure is being applied on the fishing line. The pole will be pulled and the scale will be held in place. The pole will be pulled until the line snaps. The video will have an image of the numbers on the scale when the line breaks. The breaking strength is a force applied when the line snaps. An average of the breaking strength will be made from the 4 samples for each temperature. The test is being done to determine whether the strength of the fishing line will increase or decrease in different temperatures. The data I collected showed that the average weight withstood by the fishing line when it was exposed to heat was 2.59 kilograms. When it was exposed to lower temperatures in the refrigerator, it withstood 2.83 kilograms of weight. And when it was exposed to the coldest temperatures in the freezer, it only withstood 2.38 kilograms. Data does not support my hypothesis because my hypothesis states that when the samples are placed in warmer temperatures, the strength will decrease, and when the samples are placed in colder temperatures, the strength will increase. My data shows that up to a certain point, the colder temperature can increase the strength of the fishing line, but warmer temperatures increase the strength of the fishing lines placed in it as well. If I were to do this project again, I would have a control variable so that I would have something to compare the other data to. While collecting data, some of the samples would become tangled or knotted, and I would have to untangle them. The knots could have been avoided by carefully wrapping the samples together so that they would not become tangled. Because there was no control variable, my data was inconclusive.